Shusha, Ubehu, and only one Juba, ye Prophet Dr. Bendigo Invisible Teaching Hospital.
For your spiritual healing, please come to Nsawamu Ureku Liberty House, where the hospital is located, or Kingdom of God Ministry International, or Twase. For further information, please contact the following numbers:
020-859-9576.
Ebusuafo so wo social media so dia mejidi se won sa kansa information we say ye nia be ma Ofori a o active efira
Passion mommy for 4,000.
For say
2,000.
so for 2,000 bra.
Kashira no to so.
To so man. But I'm saying.
Mama no 10,000.
And I'm saying.
Wo country o.
Hi.
Baba na se bema.
Obama.
Nka me po banso. Na mo koto.
Hi.
Mama koto no me penenufu. Koto nufu 5,000.
Yo.
Kisi de mun ni bi o.
Yo kisi o.
We are even a kun.
Mama phone ko kun no.
Oh. Dan me ko we country we say okodi obigiresi na ebu ne dia.
We dey mama phone ko kun no.
Ori tu ana seka.
Odi tu le kun no.
Aya sanwone kakra bu.
enam no kase aposifo de omunsa kano video eda bonten no kire se handcuff egu ni sa ye na kwhye aban kukumu. Na ehun sensem no na mepese me de beso mu fi se eyisikasem kakra a ye chese $50,000 ewum me no ka se aposifo nsaka no handcuff egu ni nsa video no trend on social media na ebusua ekwan ye fa so baaye ene echi sensem nyina no na me saka pese me de ebeso mu ti message ne di mu a social media page ne mi adoma na so se na me upload ya so na onsa ebetumi aka too much but the trending news, trending stories, political shows, and spiritual programs. And I made bro all the time. Now, ebusia city news information made beto abonti and I make kind of mawi. A Ghanaian comic actor Ofori, whose real name is Samuel Set Kwabena Chre Kakari, has been arrested by the Accra Central Police Command for allegedly defrauding a US-based Ghanaian of $50,000. Police sources state that Ofori received the sum from the Californian-based victim under the guise of a legitimate investment opportunity, but failed to honor the agreement and went into hiding. The victim, whose identity remained undisclosed, reported the issue to the authorities after unsuccessful attempts to recover the funds. Investigations confirmed that Ofori defrauded on repayment and ignored a summons to appear before the Dansoman District Court on April 17, 2025, leading to a bench warrant for his arrest. Ofori was apprehended and is currently in custody. His court appearance, initially set for May 9, 2025, was postponed due to the court not sitting, and the case is now scheduled for May 12, 2025. He will remain in custody until the next hearing. Police have disclosed the public to exercise caution in financial dealings, particularly those involving large sums and informal agreement. Inti ebusuya we na city news for Ediabeto Abontin a omo mu se Ofori ene Ghanaian bia owo amanone na Ghanani no so yo ba se ye bema ne din ene ne details enshadam Abontin ba o mu a chese Ofori ene sa nipa we eye agreement ɛyɛ sikasɛm na sikasɛm ɛkɔdi mu no ɛyɛ $50,000 na agreement no ankɔ no sɛnea ɔmo hyehyɛ no nti ne wɔ sɛ Ofori ɛkɔ appear wɔ Dansoma court nanso Ofori de ne ho kanwura wankɔ court wɔ ɛna ama court no ama posifoɔ akye no ɛyɛ friend no bench arrest na me no ka sɛ Ofori ɛhyɛ aban ɛkukumu a ɔmo twɛn sɛ on the 12th of May ɔmo bɛtena asɛm no so na ɔmo de yie ato yie ebusua aha no mo ɛyɛ too much age when information mesaka ɛna me de abɛsumi message no de mu a subscribe page we ne gya comment wa se wɔ no mo afei adɔma na wɔwɔ nto no ne de mu a me adɔma no so sɛ na me upload bia so na onsa ebetumi aka member refi sɛ too much yeah the trending news trending stories spiritual programs and political shows ɛna me de bro all the time makrao